Hey everyone! So I mixed up the base coat on the last video, and I did add a bottle of metallic pewter and a little bit more water to that to mix that pewter paint in. But I watched how it was flowing on the canvas, and I thought I'm going to turn the camera on because they really need to see how this flows. So as you can see, I have a great flow rate here of paint. And I want to get it over the edges pretty well, so. But I'm going to do a string pull on this oval canvas. I love this canvas. I ordered a bunch of these. And I just ordered some more yesterday in different sizes for string pulls. And maybe for some resin work as well. So, no corners to contend with. I feel like I'm playing with an egg. And it will be easy to touch up the edges on this as well when we're done. Okay. So you're going to be watching it upside down while I do this, sorry. But I just wanted to make sure you saw how that flowed off the canvas. And I have some glare. I'm going to torch some bubbles out. It's fresh mixed. Okay. Get that stick right in there. Get this out of the way. And we're ready to pull some yarn. So on the yarn paint, I did 1 part paint, 1 part iridescent medium. I did put a little glue in here to keep the thickness, and just a little bit of Floetrol. No water in this at all, and no silicone. Gonna cut some yarn. I was going to do chain, and then I changed my mind because I have to keep washing the chain off. Okay, so I have 4 pieces cut so far, and then that'll get us started. So I'm just going to dip that in that paint. You don't want your paint to like run off with the yarn, so I like it a little thicker. Okay. I'm going to place my first one. Then set there for a second and go ahead and pull. And you will get some cells. And everybody lays their yarn different. You can zigzag it, you can loop it, you can take 1 piece at a time and do 1 petal at a time. Whatever you want to do, whatever floats your boat. And if you get cells, don't freak out, because you can go back in with another little piece of yarn and fix that. Actually, I like the cells in the middle of the petal like that. I am using the webcam today, so the volume is not the same. But we have a volume button under the video that you can turn it up if you need to. Now remember, this is abstract art. You don't have to be perfect. Okay, so now that we have our 3 main stems, we're going to go in and put some shorter ones in. If you didn't join us for our live last night, you can watch it. It's already up. We had fun last night. We have fun every Monday night. So that one in the middle at the top is kind of small, so I'm going to go ahead and put a bigger loop there and bring it in. Let me just torch that bubble. If you get a little splatter, just touch it with your finger, it should disappear. Something right here. And then I'll put another leaf there. So I'm just going to cut some small ones. Balancing it out a little bit. So you have nothing there. So. And I think I'll put a couple of small ones at the bottom. We'll puddle a little bit. This is relaxing for me to do these string ones. Just pull a couple little shorties. Giving that time to sink down into that base paint. You don't want to like put it on and pull it right off, because you want it to, the white paint to blend in a little bit. Turn it around so you can see it. So I think I'm going to leave it right there. I'd like that open there like that. I might pull one right there. It's different when I look in the monitor and see what you're seeing. Grab it before you go all the way down. There, it's more balanced now. It's good. If you're using yarn too, you want to watch so you don't get any fuzzies. I have one little one right here. Tweezers. All the air bubbles are gone. And that's it. Easy peasy. So subscribe if you haven't already. Click like and share. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Check out my links below for my Amazon shop for supplies, my Etsy shop for paintings, my Redbubble for merchandise, and our Stone Coat resin, the Art Coat resin code is below. And also subscribe to Mike's channel. They do some great live videos now, and you can learn so much about resin and countertop epoxy by watching their channel. So check everything out and let me know what you think, and I will see you all on the next one. Bye now.